is. The Spirit of Tasmania is docked in Geelong today, Sunday. Whoops.
Well, wasted driving past.
And we thought we'd stop and have a look. Brad knows this area fairly confidently. Terminal boarding.
Wow, so you just go left there and drive straight up in that ramp.
Boarding was supposedly up that way.
Yeah, we've been not going too much further.
No, you won't get. Anyway, there she is.
Oh, they're getting ready to go on, look.
The Spirit. Well, it might be leaving. It might be a night cruise over tonight. Leaves about 8 o'clock and gets into Devonport about 8 o'clock. That's if it's overnight. If it's doing a day, it leaves at 9 o'clock in the morning.
It's a big boat, isn't it?
And gets over there at 6 p.m. the same day. It is a big boat.
I don't know what the ramp's for.
Oh, the big smokestacks out the top of it.
She gets across them.
So there's one at Devonport doing pretty much the same.
That's number 2. Spirit of Tasmania 2.
Is that 2? Yes, the Spirit of Tasmania 1 and 2, and that's 2. And there's an app I must tell you all about. It's called Marine Traffic, and it will tell you where all the boats are around Phillip Bay and everywhere else in the world, actually, a bit like those flight maps.
Everyone coming in.
Oh, look.
Good on you, mate. Enjoy yourself.
Oh, there you go, and it's Tassie the Lucky Boat. Wonderland. Now, who's got a Wonderland? Here's another one.
Yes, next. One day.
One day. Pretty keen for August, but we'll see. Haven't decided yet, but I've certainly been checking out the prices. Good to smash that ticket. Big tick. That's a big tick off the bucket list, that one. Go over there for what, 8 to 9 months?
Yeah.
And have a good look around, and then we won't have to go back.
6 to 9 anyway, at least, I reckon.
Well, at least, well, we can go over to August and come back in May. That's about 9 months. Have spring, summer and autumn over there. 3 seasons. But anyway, that's our plan. It's a lot to see over there from what I've gathered. You've been over 3 times.
Yeah.
And still haven't seen it all, and I've been over once. Oh, pigeons. Clean them up. Someone's cleaned one up there. The trains with graffiti all over them.
Yeah.
Okay, so Brad's taken me to show me where he grew up after he was born until he was about 12 before he moved to Menindee. And it's that house right there,
yep.
number 23.
What a little ripper. Geez, it's small.
Is it changed much?
Nah, just be able to walk all the way down there. Yeah, paint job.
Pop.
I can't believe it's such a torn little joint.
3 bedrooms.
This garden, this green grass between there and there was huge. There was a lot of grass between there and there. It was crazy.
Now it's a hedge. It's, yeah. Anyway, that's Brad's house they used to live in. So Brad's saying this laneway goes down the back past his house. And they used to ride around their bikes, and this is a shortcut to their school.
Mini bikes.
Mini bikes around the streets.
Up and down all day long, buzzing up and down.
There you go.
Do a U-turn right where we are here. go back down there again.
Doesn't that surprise me? He was a city slicker.
And I was born a city slicker.
Right. Very good.
What's it called now? Gordon.
Bit like the Hamilton High School's now Bainbridge College. The Gordon Skills Training Centre, Industry Skills Training Centre. This used to be, what was it?
East Geelong Technical School.
Technical School.
West Geelong Tech, I think they called it.
And that's where Brad went to. How long were you there though? 1 year?
Less than 1 year.
Less than 1 year.
Then we shifted to New South Wales, Menindee. Up on the Darling River, Menindee. Best thing we ever done.
Yep.
I remember that. That's the sort of the old school I can remember of it, ain't you? All them old little
That looks like the old, yeah. That's it. That's old buildings from way back. That's what the high school used to look like too.
Yeah, that's what it's more like.
Remember I said, oh, they've got rid of all the C block and D block when we were in Hamilton?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's what it used to look like. Bit hard to. That's a primary school there. Geelong East Primary School.
Yeah, I know, but maybe they turned the tech school into build a new one here. Primary school, yeah, that's nice.
So that used to be the tech. Now this is industry skills training.
Yeah, it's the same sort of thing, isn't it? They've changed the name. It was a good school though, only done it. I love the sheet metal work.
But you wouldn't have been in this bit, you were in that other bit.
Yeah, back there.
So it's now a primary school what you did, where you went. But that's only this part. Where you went to school is now a primary school.
West Campus.
Not listening to me again.
Yeah, it was a primary school.
It is a primary school.
Well, we changed it, really.
No, it is. Yeah. All right. That's it. Yeah, we all got to know Brad a little bit better.